Isaac One is a mobile, wheeled home robot from San Francisco startup Weave Robotics, unveiled July 2nd, 2026. Designed as an appliance with arms, it uses a wheeled base, 2 robotic arms with gripper claws, and a collapsible torso that adjusts from 3 feet idle to 5 feet 9 inches. Footprint is 20.5 by 22 inches, with interchangeable fabric shells in sage, gray, slate blue, terracotta, and Vesper. 2 chore programs run via a companion app. One handles laundry, finding dirty clothes, carrying hampers, folding, and putting items away. The other tidies by making beds, fluffing pillows, straightening blankets, and returning shoes and toys to place. It runs autonomously, with remote human operators able to intervene through its cameras if stuck. Privacy hardware mechanically shutters the cameras when not cleaning. Battery lasts up to 8 hours with 2-hour recharge. Priced at $7,999 upfront or $449 per month subscription. Pre-orders are open. Deliveries begin in California in fall 2026, with a wider U.S. rollout in 2027. It undercuts rivals like One X's $20,000 Neo.